Hey guys, welcome to my chicken carbonara. Let's do this. Okay, 300 grams of pasta. Cook it up, drain it, put it aside. Now you need 500 grams of chicken breast, which is basically one large chicken breast or two small ones, alright? Now you can cut it into chunks, but I like to cut it into thinnish slices and then chop them up. So yeah, they're nice and thin. Okay, you need mushrooms. Now I like getting the big ass ones, and I'll probably use 2 of them if I was doing it all for adults, but because the kids don't eat mushroom and everyone else doesn't eat mushroom, I'm only going to just do one up for myself. And what I'm going to do is I will cook it first and put it aside, and then at the end, once I've served up all the kids theirs, I can chuck the mushroom in mine. So yeah, so just chop up your mushroom. I think it's 4 of them. I don't know if I've said it already, but I'll put the recipe down below and check it from there. Okay, now I'm using spring onions. Just probably three decent sized spring onions. If you don't have spring onions, you can use normal onion, say a really small one cut up really small. So I've got the spring onions. I didn't go too heavy on them because of the kids. And then the tops of them, the greener ones, I've put a few in a bowl and kept them aside so we can garnish it after. Alright, you want 1 cup of cheese. I'm using the pizza 3 cheeses one today, but you can use whatever cheese you want to use. Then you need 4 full rashers of bacon and chop them up into small pieces. You need to beat up 1 egg and have that ready. Now if you have all this stuff ready to go, right, before you cook, you can just bang it all together and it's gorgeous. Alright, so you need 500 ml of thickened cream. So I'll use almost 2 of them, not quite. And you need some parmisen cheese to put on the top after with your spring onion. Alright, let's see. I think that's everything ready to go. So I've fried up my mushroom. And I'll just get that out. So just remember, if your kids don't eat mushies, just fry some up now and put it aside so you can throw it in your dish at the end so you don't have to miss out. Now any of this, you can swap and change any of it. And yeah, do it however you guys like it. It's not written in stone. You can play around with it and do whatever you want. Okay. So, first thing we do is a little bit of olive oil. And you want to put your chicken in. Alright, once you've got your chicken done, add your bacon. Now if you're putting, everyone eats mushrooms, you want to put all your mushrooms in now. You want your spring onion in now. Now if you like using white wine, this is where you put a dash of white wine in. Teaspoon. If you like more of it, put more of it in. As I said, it's got to go to your taste. What I would suggest is just do it this way the first time, and then you know how it tastes and just swap it around to suit yourselves. Okay, once you've got your bacon, your mushroom, your garlic, your onion and your white wine, if you're putting all of that in. Alright, you want to cook it for 3 minutes, roughly 3 minutes. And you want to cook out the wine now too, which will take about 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, you want to add your cream. So this is 600 ml. Oh, lucky I looked at that, I was almost going to put 2 of them in. And you want 500 ml. So almost all of a whole one, almost. Jeepers. I almost stuffed that right up. Alright, so 500 ml. Like I said, I always put the correct recipe below when I write it down for you. Okay, so now you want to see how that's boiling. We've got to turn it down. Because now you just want it on simmer. You just want it to simmer, which is boil nice and lightly. I'll have to try and get up to it being electric and work it out. And as soon as you can get it on a simmer, you want to simmer it for 10 minutes, alright? So a tiny little, really soft, little bubbly boil, that's what you want for 10 minutes. Okay, now once you've had it simmered away for 10 minutes, we're right at the end now. Alright, the next thing I'll do is get your whisked egg. and mix that in. There's a nice big egg. Alright, once you've mixed your egg in properly, you want to put your 1 cup of cheese in. Now remember, this will look another beautiful colour at the moment if you had the mushies in already, right? Look at this. Alright, and then just cook this until it's all blended in and it's nice and smooth. Look at that cheese melting already. I love using the pizza cheese. As you can see, it doesn't take very long. So make sure it's nice and smooth. Oh, look at it all. The mozzarella and there. Here we go. Okay, once you've done that, turn it down on real low. Now you want to add your pasta. Just keep adding it bits at a time, because if you're like me, I always cook too much, even though it's roughly like 300 grams, I still end up cooking too much. So you just keep adding it, and so, you know, until you get it the right consistency. Mix it all in. Now if it goes too thick and gluggy, just add a bit of cream. Alright, and mix it and let it go a bit runny again. Look at this, my friends. Right, so we've only got it on low, so we're not drying it out. I don't know why, I always add a little bit of cream at the end anyway. I can't help myself. Alright, there you have it. I'll serve the kids up, and then I'll whack a bit of mushroom in mine, and I'll serve that up then. How cool is this? Alright, that's beautiful. But like I said, I can't help myself. So I'm just going to add the tiniest little bit of cream. I'm going to mix that through with it while it's under low heat. Just give it that little bit of creaminess touch. There you go, my friends, chicken carbonara. Okay, so now we just put a bit of parmy on top, parmesan cheese. Oh yeah, this is how we do it. Then sprinkle a little bit of a spring onion on there. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Oi, have yourselves a great night. Thanks heaps for watching. Bye.